You will be amazed by this 2020 Subaru Forester. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Enjoy a tour of this Subaru Forester, the compact SUV that's relaxing to drive. Spacious and refined, this crossover offers desirable safety and connectivity features at a surprisingly affordable price. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, panoramic roof, keyless entry, all-wheel drive, sun, moonroof, premium sound system, backup camera, heated mirrors, satellite radio. Make the most of your outdoor lifestyle in this capable Forester. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.